step into the 2011 Nissan Rogue Severt. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include 4-wheel disc brakes, AC, ABS, adjustable steering wheel, aluminum wheels, auxiliary audio input, backup camera, Bluetooth connection and brake assist. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.